Dealing with the Orilriver Reverb Plugin DLL error in Denis Tihanov app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before the technical guide for Orilriver Reverb plugin, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Orilriver Reverb plugin, the main runtime library for the Orilriver Algorithmic Reverb VST plugin, responsible for generating spatial reflections and reverb tails through algorithmic modeling. It enables room simulation effects within music projects. If absent, mixes that rely on Orilriver may load without reverb and display plugin load failures. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The presence of Orilriver Reverb plugin DLL is mandatory for Denis Tihanov to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite, with the error, will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Orilriver Reverb plugin component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The versions of Orilriver Reverb plugin DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Orilriver Reverb plugin. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Orilriver Reverb plugin working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.